Hey, Dr. Emily here. And if you're learning how to code, you might be wondering, how long does it really take to become a six-figure software developer, right? And there's a lot of different pathways, right? There's a lot of boot camps out there. I've created one, the Joy of Coding Academy, but there's also colleges and universities programs for computer science, which I've taught in as well. And I'll just share a little secret with you guys. It took me 10 years and $250,000 to learn how to code. Crazy, right? Crazy numbers. And it was so frustrating. I went through and I got 3 computer science degrees. And you know what? I got 3 computer science degrees. Do you know who taught me how to code? Yeah, this girl right here. Talk about frustrating, right? I don't know if you've ever heard of this idea that, oh, if you want to get a good job, you want to learn something, go to college, right? I heard it too. And I was so frustrated. And in fact, I learned this lesson so well. I went to college multiple times. I got 3 computer science degrees. And eventually, along the way, I did teach myself how to code because it was sink or swim, do or die, man. It was either learn how to code or fail out of grad school. And that failure just wasn't an option for me. So eventually I figured it out. When I did, I was so frustrated because it wasn't that hard. And all the teachers had made it hard, to be honest, because the people that taught them were probably intuitive geniuses and weren't able to explain it to them, so they didn't have any good examples. And so I went on a mission to find a better way, to teach absolutely anyone how to code, right, and become an amazing six-figure software developer. Now, if you want to know absolutely everything there is about tech, you could go the college route. You may or may not learn everything you're seeking, but at least it'll give you 4 years of learning. Or you can pick a faster path. And inside the Joy of Coding Academy, we actually offer a guaranteed internship because we know that the fastest and best way to learn is actually by doing it, and to actually work with six-figure software developer mentors whose day job is living these technologies, and this is their life, and you can just learn from them every single day. So, how long does it take? It really depends on what kind of approach you want to take and what kind of program you want. Inside the Joy of Coding Academy, we offer a 6-month program. It takes students anywhere from 3 to 9 months to complete it, depending on their life situation, working about 2 hours a day. But you can easily go to multiple boot camps and still not get it, right? I've had students come to our boot camp and say, oh, I was in these 2 other boot camps. They were 3 months. They were so fast. I couldn't keep up, right? Like, having the ability to learn at your own pace with a supportive community around you and people like actually hanging out waiting for you to ask questions so that they can help you refine your process in becoming a self-sufficient coder is a total game changer. You may or may not find that in a college or university setting, but at least you've got 4 years, but you're going to pay for it, right? So if you're thinking about learning how to code, it can be done as fast as 6 months, but it's very strategic, very targeted. And if you want to learn more about our approach that we use to do that, please click the link below because we're hosting a really crazy live event this Saturday. We've never hosted before, where I'm teaching the fundamentals of coding live in a live free class. So definitely sign up if you're interested, and let's get you started and see what you can create. All right, have a great rest of your day. Take care.